Hello students. In last session we learned about how to write numbers in words, like number names of numbers, okay, and put the sign greater than, less than or equal to compare the two numbers, okay. Now here two more topic we learn, place value of underlined digit. In this session, we learn about how to write the place value of underlined digit. Here the numbers are given and one digits are underlined, right? Here also, okay, it's already there. And here also, all numbers are underlined. And we have to write the place value of these all numbers. And this side we write the numbers in figures. I show you how to write the numbers in figures with easy method. Okay, first of all, here the place value of underlined digit. So in this first number, there is the number 5 and we have to write the place value of 5. So see the 5 on which place is there. So this one is the ones place, tens place and 100 place, right? So 5 is on 100 place. So value of 5 is 500. One more thing, after 5 there are two digits, 1 and 7. So we add 2 zeros are there. Okay, it's easy method. Now here in this big number 7 is there, 8,17,310. How to read this number? 8,17,310. Here the place value of 7. So 7 is on which place? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Right? 7 is on thousands place. So the value of 7 is 7,000. Is it? After 7 there are 1, 2 and 3 digits. So we add 3 zeros also. Okay. Now here in C number, read this number first. 1,23,689. 9 is here underlined digit and we have to find the place value of 9. 9 is on which place? On ones place. There is a rule, you know that very well. Whichever number is on ones place, the value is same number. Okay? So 9's value is 9. Same number. Because it is on ones place. Now here in D number, 5,70,233. So here what we have to find? Place value of 5. So 5 is in which place? 5 is on which place? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Right? 5 is on lakhs place. So what is the value of 5? 5 lakh. Okay? See, after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So I add here 5 zeros. Okay? Now in last, E number, 2,54,092. Here the place value of 9. 9 is on which place? So ones and tens. Right? If we have to write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So whichever number we have to find, see. This one is the 5 is on 100 place. So 500. 7 is on thousands place. So 7,000. 9 is on ones place. So same value 9. 5 is on lakhs place. So 5 lakh is the value of this 5. And here 9 again. On which place? Tens place. So value of 9 is 90. Okay? Now come this side. Number in figure. We have to write this number in figure. Okay? How to write these numbers in figures. So first one is 8,35,000. Now here you little bit confused. So we have to draw the place value table. How to draw the place value table? Here the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. We draw the place value table. It is very easy to write the number now. See. 8 lakh, right? On lakh, which number is there? 8. 8 lakh 35. Last number is 35. So 35 we write here on tens and ones place. So whichever number is blank, जो भी number खाली है, वहाँ पे हमें क्या ऐड करना है? 0. We have to write 0 whichever space is blank. So what is the number? 8 lakh 35. Okay, 8 lakh 35. Now see here. First of all, we draw the place value table. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. Right? Okay. So 4 lakh 3. Now see. 4 lakh on lakhs place there is 4 lakh and 3 is on ones place, right? It is simple 3. So between there we have to add zeros on. So what is the figure now? 4 lakh 3. Okay, it is compulsory to put the comma. Now here 3 lakh 64,000. So place value table. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. Okay. Now write the number. 3 lakh. So on lakhs place there is 3. 64,000. So here 10,000 and 1,000. So 64,000. Nothing else, right? Then nothing. So after that we have to add 0. So what is the figure? 3 lakh 64,000. Okay? 3 lakh 64,000. Now last one. So here ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and last one is lakhs place. So now arrange the number. 7 lakh. So 7 we have to write on lakhs place. 200 on 100 place. 250. So 50. Now here we write 0. So how to write in figure? 7 lakh 250. Okay, clear? This one is the place value of whichever underline the digits, and this one is the number how to write in figure. Okay. Now in next session we learn more about the numbers.